Hello friends, Miss Hendry here. Alright, so today we are going to look at our ABC writing tablet page. This is page 11 and 12, I believe. Alright, and so we're going to practice writing our letter A's. So right here we have the downstairs. This is where the letter A that says ah, where the letter A is going to go the lowercase one. So we have practiced our circle strokes and our pull down, pull downs. Now this is going to put those two together. You're going to make a circle and a pull down under the dotted line. Make a circle and a pull down. Circle and pull down. Circle and pull down. Circle and pull down. And then for the capital A, it is going to be a slant, push across. Slant, push across. Slant, push across. Slant, push across. Good. All right, let's look over on the back. We're going to practice these again. A ball with a pull down. A ball with a pull down. A ball with a pull down. Ball with a pull down. A ball with a pull down. Then capital is a slant, push across. Slant, push across. Slant, push across. Slant, push across. Then let's trace this one down here. Slant, push across. A ball with a pull down. Great job, guys. Love you guys. See you later.